honor the groundbreaking legacy of George Washington Carver by nominating heroes of the I Am Power Award. Carver was a visionary scientist and inventor who transformed agriculture with his innovative crop rotation method, crucial for the South's economic survival in the early 20th century. His genius extended to discovering hundreds of uses for crops like peanuts, soybeans, and sweet potatoes, creating over 300 products from peanuts alone, including milk, butter, dyes, and cosmetics. Carver's inventive spirit turned waste into valuable resources, like recycled oil and clay-based paints. Now it's your chance to honor today's trailblazers who, like Carver, empower communities through creativity and resilience. The I Am Power Award aims to uplift the Black community by recognizing leaders in community economic development, business growth, entrepreneurship, and skills training. Don't let these modern pioneers go unnoticed. Nominate a hero today. Shine a light on those who transform and uplift our world, carrying forward the torch of progress and empowerment. Because every new pioneer deserves to be celebrated with excitement and pride. Nominate a hero at HigherSelfAwards.org. Sponsored by I Am Apparel and Products. By the way, 12% of your purchase is donated to winners of the Higher Self Awards. That means your purchase will help Higher Self Awards winners build the health, economic security, and social well-being of Black communities. Visit us at iamproducts.store.